Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the third day of this 2021 NNI Strategic Planning Workshop. The theme today is charting the path forward. My name is Antti Makinen. I'm with the Office of Naval Research, and I'm one of the three co-chairs for the NSET subcommittee. So today's objectives are to explore how the NNI can define success, track progress, and evaluate impact. We will hear a keynote presentation from Chad Merkin of Northwestern University, and there will be a closing discussion with representatives from the federal community. Before we begin the workshop today, there are a few housekeeping notes that I want to introduce. There are two links located just below or under the video player. The tech support link is on the right and is available for communication with our tech support team should you experience any technical issues. On the left is a link for emailing questions to the presenters and panel moderators. Please email your questions as soon as you have them so we get them in time before each session ends. And at this point, I want to hand this over to Peter Grodziński, who will be the moderator for the first panel discussion. Peter, please go ahead.
Thank you, Antti. Good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm Peter Grodziński from National Cancer Institute. You heard over the last 2 days discussions on where general nanotechnology R&D stands and potentially should go, and what are the thoughts on development pathways. Today we'll talk about how to measure the success, current and future, of these efforts, and if there are any relevant matrices to do that, should they be altered, modified, and how to look at fairly complex multidisciplinary field as nanotechnology is from the achieving or not the success. As with previous panels, we will start with a number of recorded presentations, and I have a pleasure to introduce the list of esteemed speakers. The first one will be Paul Weiss from UC Los Angeles. He will be followed by John Janopoulos from MIT, Julia Phillips from National Science Board, Chris Ober from Cornell. I will have short presentation, and then Michael Russo from SEMI will close. And we'll talk about different aspects of how we evaluate success of the programs which are being supported or conducted within our institutions. Once the presentations are completed, we'll go to the open discussion and hope to engage the audience as much as possible. So with no further ado, I will now ask our computer gurus to roll the videos, and within an hour we'll meet with all of you again for further discussions. Thank you and enjoy the presentations.